Now let's multiply using the expanded column method. So first we have 57 times 7. We can write the question out with our larger number, so our 2-digit number on top and our single-digit number below. Then we need 2 answer lines because we're going to multiply the 7 digit by 7 on our first answer line, then the 5 digit by 7 on our second answer line, and then finally we're going to add up our answer lines. Now for our first answer line, 7 times 7 is 49, but now for our second answer line we need to write a 0 in the ones column. That's because we're multiplying the 5 that's in our tens. Now 5 times 7 is 35, so we can just add up our answer lines. 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and nothing plus 3 is 3. So 57 times 7 is 399. Now 75 times 8. So we set the question out in the same way and we start by multiplying our ones. 5 times 8 is 40. Then again, really important that we remember a 0 in our second answer line because we're multiplying by the 7 that's in our tens. So now 7 times 8 is 56, and we can add up our answer lines. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 6 is 10, so 1, 0, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So our answer is 600. And now 68 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. We need a 0 in our second answer line. And now 6 times 9 is 54. So now we just add up our answer lines. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11, so 1, 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So 68 times 9 is 612.